Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy D. Hold your horses. Dun, dun. Choosing the right tool is always the tough part. Check out these magnetics. I got my standard corn wheel set here. I've had this puppy for years. And I got this Sunex magnetics. We need these two. Let's pop it in. What tool you got, baby? Let's go. Alright guys, we're wrapping up the wrap install on the GMC. Alrighty guys, there it is, all done. Brand new 2025 GMC AT4X. AT4X, baby. You know what that means. This is the best of the best 4x4 version, like the GMC Ultimate you can get. It's got that new bumper on there, the AEV. Pretty clean, pretty cool looking. All he's gonna need next is the GMC light up emblem and to tint the windows, man. Sucks that I couldn't tint the windows on it because I would have showed you guys everything I can do almost here. But check out those cab lights. Check out the hood. Let me zoom it out a little bit. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Only here at D's Garage. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be bringing you guys a lot more content on a lot of the work that we do here. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just wrapped this one up. I think I left the parking lights on. So this guy here brought me his buddy's truck as well to do the cab lights. Luckily I had them both in stock so I can get both of these done. So we're gonna make these two trucks look better just by adding cab lights. That simple. Let's go ahead and bring in the Silverado and get them done as well. Stay tuned for more. Oh, I forgot. He also wants to do a chrome delete. So I gotta go. Whew, this thing has a lot more chrome. Definitely. So we're gonna look into doing a chrome delete. I'll give him an estimate. If you want to get it done, we'll get it done. Alrighty guys, there it is, all done. We got them both done, baby. Within time, you know, I've done so many of these already, I can almost do them with my eyes closed. Just kidding. Brand new 2025 GMC AT4X. I believe this is the 2024 Chevy Silverado Z71 2500. Cab lights. Very precise on what we do here. Dealership should be bringing me these trucks now. We're knocking them out. Wherever you guys are, you guys want to come on down to Deed's Garage, we can make it happen for you. You see, we've done them all. Ultimates, AT4, AT4X, you name it, 1500s, 2500s. We done them. We got them dialed in, baby, here at Deed's Garage. Let me show you guys the shop. It's Friday out here. The weather is lovely. Look at that beauty car right there. Whew. This is the info, guys, right here that you need. We do window tint, a little bit of everything, un poquito de todo. We do speak Spanish, English, and any. We got you.